Well, hello there. Good morning. Well, it's about lunchtime, but you know, we've come out to a place called Riveau. It's in the Yorkshire Dale side, I think. Double check where we are now. Yeah, we're still in there. Sorry, the Yorkshire Moors. So we're in the Yorkshire Moors because we've got a really special night tonight. We are going on a date night. Now this date night is a special night because it's on a farm. It's a place called Monk Farm. What was it? Monk Park Farm. Usually they have it all for the children and stuff. But they're doing an adults night, so I'll let you know what we will be doing. Let me tell you. So like I say, it's normally for children, but us adults are going to get to do it today. So we will get, this is all for £12 as well, I can't believe it, it is so good. We will get to cuddle piglets, snuggle the chicks, feed the Highland cows, groom the bunnies, try guinea pig fishing, hand feed barn farm animals, get up close with the creepy crawlies. I don't think I'll do that one though. And then you know those giant jumping pillows that the kids normally play on? Us adults get to play on them tonight. And then there's a nice walk, there's food and ice cream. Sounds so good, doesn't it? But the place we've actually stopped now, I want to go and see something here. But I pulled into this lay-by, and you know what? You know what's here? You guessed it. Water. Look. Look down there! That's such a nice little stream too. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? It is beautiful around here. We're kind of in a little valley bit, I think. But we're going to stay here for a little while. We're going to go up and see an abbey remains while we're here. Then we might go along to a forestry bit just to sit for a few hours until we have to go and do our date night. So we're just going to go for a little walk now. It's really hot today too. So we'll be melting when we have to go up and down hills, I would have thought. Right, if you come here, you're going to have to go and pay to go and see the abbey for yourselves, because we're not paying £15 each for this. I wouldn't mind if it was a bit more than ruins. So there you go, it's the abbey. It's just madness, isn't it? Oh, come back and the geese are back in there. They're all swimming now. Oh look!
Hi! Yes, go on, let's come into your bath. Go on. Oh. What? Hi.
Come on!
Can I talk to you, is it? Yes? Yeah, I'm going to do it. Come on. Come on into the water.
Where are we going back?
To the farm.
What are we going to do the farm?
Still in the pigs.
Date night! It's a big farm, didn't realise how big it was. But yes, we're here and we are
64 acres.
For date night. Adult time. Here we go!
that?
You know.
So something about not enough. Keep on swinging, you idiot. A little bit faster. Do that ball and all.
Throw up a... That's it, you tell them. Oh, you want to be on camera? Yeah. That's all right.
Love that. Over everyone, get yourselves in there. It's blowing the wrong way, it's actually blowing back in the corner. Around the corner. Oh gosh, it's coming towards me. I'm trying to avoid it. Nice plunge. Thumbs up. Somebody's doing a snow angel over there.
What an absolutely incredible night we had last night. I hope you enjoyed that video of us at the farm for our date night. That was so good. I might look a little bit flustered at the moment. We've come up to Dumfries because it's the coolest of the places in the UK this weekend. So we've come up here and it is absolutely scorching. I am so hot. But I have been putting up Shadow's, have a look. Shadow's got his own little tent there, so it'll keep him shaded. But he's still enjoying himself under the van. He loves laying under the van. But we're going to take a walk down to the water in a little while, cool him off. So when we come back, he'll be nice and cool and we can chill for a few hours. Oh, it just looks so hot. Stuff to do. Got all the fans on, as you can hear. Let me show you where we are. It's just a little campsite for tents and campers. You've got pitches along that side. You've got two big areas up the top here, maybe families. Good sized pitches. And I think over there I can hear the water. And I think there's sheep out there somewhere. They might be away from the sun at the moment. Yeah, laying over there in the shade. There are sheep. But we will go down to the water in a little while. I think I will actually dip my feet in. Chickens! They've got sheep!
I will just have to be where because I walk a bit quicker.
I can hear my water.
You wouldn't just care what was sort of playing there. Don't like you go.
Oh wow, look at that!
Go on, interest. I said it'll be a nice plunge for you.
Wow!
Take the algon into that.
How clear and there's that. Oh, Shadow laying down. You lay down, get cool. Go on in. Lay And he's gone in twice.
I just wanted to swim.
You might as well sit down in it now. Mightn't you?
Pretty much.
You're soaked. Go on in. That's it. Back you go. Ah! Just grazing outside our door. You can't see the other ones over by the trees. They're really quite friendly too. Ooh. Tonight we are having steak and chips. We've gone and treated ourselves to a nice bit of fillet steak. And the chips are in the oven. I can turn them around actually. Doesn't that look nice? And the chips look nearly done. I'll get the chips out in a minute once that's sat there for a little while. Let the steak just rest before I get the chips out. And yes, I have ketchup with my steak. We've come into, is it Langham town. We're going to see what's around. The clouds are over us a little bit today. You got the key, haven't you? So we're going to have, let's just enjoy this little view for a second. Wow. Doesn't that look inviting?
Hello, Kevin. So you're going to get your beer on later then? On that side. What's in Britain for?
I don't know.
We're taxed.
Yeah.
And if you earn over a certain amount when you get your pension, you got the tax.
Tax again.
So how about we stand back up, right?
And we're going to stop.
Fuck off.
I don't know.
That's what we need to do.
The little white rose of Scotland. That smells. What's that? That smells Give me that word. I don't know what that is. Sweet and something the heart.
Smells.
I was sitting here, Langham, after walking around the town. Lovely little town. I got a new pillow. Yes, I'll show you my new pillow. Oh, flip the bag open. Look at my new pillow. It's not so great being white. Should have thought about that. Look. So he's going on the bed. And got myself a little brush. Little girl brush. Really reasonably priced, considering
I
it's.
don't know where we're going to put all these pillows, like, because we're like losing all the space in the bed.
I know. But that was only $4.99. Now, if you get any out of the shops, it would have been at least a tenner, wouldn't it? That £8 quid, wasn't it? I was expecting something like 15, because it's a little.
If it was down in
shop.
England, it would be
Yeah.
15. But I think up here with Highland cows, because they're up here, are so much cheaper. So what I think people do is they buy the stock from up here,
And
take
then
it down
sell
to
it-
Scotland, and sell it for double the price. So
Not down to England.
because that's what I mean.
It's a
But
lovely
that there
little
would be a tenner, 10 to
Yeah.
15 quid anywhere else down in England.
Absolutely. But I'm too fatigued now to do anything. I want to do stuff, and I was looking at my phone, places to go and things to do. But then I shut my phone down. I think, oh, no, I don't want to do any walking. My oomph is gone. It's so hot. But we might have a storm later, so we'll get back for that. Oh, fingers crossed. Whoa.
There you go, Babs. Feel what?
You're right, Bobby.
Actually feel the thunder on the floor.
Yeah.
It moves. The whole van moved there.
Come up. Oh wow, that was wicked. Wow. Been waiting for this all day. Wow. Wow. Can't see the hills now.
Oh, that was
Wow!
Did you see that, Babs?
It's right there.
No, that was there.
Ooh, that was over this way. I need to sit this way. So, good morning. Who enjoyed the storm last night? Oh my goodness, we were watching it from the van last night. It was incredible because we were in such a place we could see quite far. I'll go try and get some of the footage of that. Should be in the video that we'll be sending out of today, but I'm going to end it now because last night was an incredible night. It was a great end to the video and I want to get it out so you can see it. But oh my goodness, I absolutely love storms. I sit through them all if I can. It's just incredible. I love it. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you've watched all of it so far, keep with us, subscribe, like, send me a comment, all your thoughts, and see you on the next one.